So here's a recipe for your delicious chocolate chip cookies. We're going to start with 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. We're going to add 1/3 cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next we're going to whisk this together. And we're going to set this aside and we're going to start on our wet ingredients. So in our mixing bowl we're going to add 1 cup of softened butter, 3/4 cup of white granulated sugar, and 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next we're going to mix until smooth. Next we're going to add our 2 eggs and let that incorporate. Next we're going to add our flour in a little at a time. Keep adding your flour a little at a time. Once in a while you might want to scrape the sides down. And here comes the last of our flour mixture. After that's mixed well together, we want to add our chocolate chips. I have about 1.5 cups of dark chocolate chips and about 1/2 cup of mini M&Ms. There we go, that's mixed together well. Next we've preheated our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and we're going to put this on a pan. Okay, next I'm going to use an ice cream scooper and I am going to place these about 2 inches apart on a unsprayed cooking sheet. Okay, these are going to go in the oven at 350 degrees for about 12 to 14 minutes. Okay, the first batch of cookies are done and we're going to place these on a cooling rack.